more goodies. A bag of spare parts. Look at that. Nice bag of spare parts in there. Got a little Allen wrenches, this extra prop, some kind of hex wrench, maybe a little bit of Velcro, and put that off to the side. Came with the stand, so you put the stand together. Alright, go ahead and do that real quick here. Let's see, it looks like it'll probably go like this, maybe like this. There we go. Quick little stand. Right off to the side. You know, I got the stand put together here. That's pretty nice. The boat fits on there pretty well. I like that. But yeah, it's just a little walk around of it. Got a drain plug here. It fills with water, I guess. You can just pop that out and drain it. That's pretty convenient. I need to get one of those on my other boat that I made. I'll let that prop out drive here. And steering. That's pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, pretty neat though. Pretty nice boat. All open underneath. Turn this. Go ahead and get some Dean's connectors soldered on here so that way I can use them with all the batteries that I already got, and I'll just have me an extra battery. So I'll get back to you when I'm ready to get it all soldered up. Alright, here we are. Gonna get it all soldered up. Got the iron out. Got everything I need here. Got some heat shrink, wire strippers. I got my Dean's connectors here. I'm gonna wire up to my ESC, I'm gonna wire up to this battery, and I'm gonna make me a series connector so I can run these in 4S. Here we go. And this was a mission. It should do the job, so that way I can run 2 batteries at a time. This other remote here, make it work. So let me give you the quick dry run real quick. There you go. 3S right now. Looking pretty good. It's raining. Not gonna be able to get out there today, but tomorrow hopefully it won't be raining. I'll get out there and do some test driving.